them cheese because we're not chicken and we don't want beef. So we're ham.
Oh, what?
It's ham or cheese, there's no chicken. Stop trying to force on the chicken.
Fuck.
Ignite is ticking away. Diamond has tanked up the turret. That's a double coming in for Genja. And Sensgren will fall as well. Triple kill for Genja.
Oh no, it's me, Mario.
The knockup doesn't quite land onto Cocoon does, but there is the Baron picked up, stolen away by the Super Hot crew, and that was amazing from Impaler, and now they just turn onto Millennium. Reckless needs 14 kills from this game to beat ManCloud's record.
2! One more.
Maokai! Lee!
No!
He don't get that.
You got that?
No! Suicide,
And Reckless misses it. He misses it by 1 kill. The Wolf's going to run away. Selfie goes in pretty deep. Mimer's been caught out. He's gone towards Walleye. Walleye will not take him down. Now we're going to see Mr. Rades cleaning up. He gets 1, gets 2.
It is Alliance versus Millennium, and we'll see how these two very diverse team comps work out.
It's a little unseen from him. There goes the Glacial Fisher. There's Frogger going in, and Millennium just get wrecked. Absolutely destroyed there.